What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Renq Finance. Renq Finance offers a utility-based alternative to Dogecoin, catering to traders of all levels with anonymity, security, and transparency. It integrates decentralized markets, creating new assets classes like derivatives and margin trades. The roadmap aims for decentralized market dominance by 2030, envisioning a multi-chain ecosystem accessible to all. Predictions suggest Renq could potentially reach $2 by 2030. Its unique on-chain, off-chain trading approach eliminates central clearing houses, providing global access to users. Now, let's take a look at some of its key features. Renq Finance Multi-Chain DEX is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade assets across different blockchain networks. This feature enhances interoperability within the decentralized finance ecosystem by enabling seamless transactions between various blockchains. By supporting multiple chains, Renq Finance provides users with access to a broader range of assets and liquidity pools, ultimately increasing trading opportunities and flexibility. Renq Finance's never-ending liquidity feature is designed to address liquidity challenges commonly faced in decentralized exchanges. By aggregating liquidity from multiple exchanges, Renq ensures that there is a continuous and ample supply of assets available for trading. This approach helps prevent slippage and ensures competitive pricing for users by spreading trade transactions across different decentralized exchanges, maintaining a healthy trading environment. Renq Finance operates under a community-driven governance model where decisions regarding the platform's development and future direction are made collectively by Renq token holders. This feature empowers the community to actively participate in shaping the platform's policies, upgrades, and strategic decisions. Community governance fosters transparency, decentralization, and inclusivity, aligning the platform's development with the interest and value of its users. The Renq Wallet is a comprehensive solution that integrates multiple decentralized exchanges into a single application. This feature provides users with a user-friendly interface to access various DeFi activities such as swapping, farming, staking, lending, borrowing, and shorting. The Renq Wallet streamlines the trading experience by offering a non-stop solution for managing assets and engaging in different DeFi protocols, enhancing convenience and efficiency for users. Renq Finance's cross-chain swap feature operates on the automated market maker model, facilitating automated trading through smart contracts. Users can execute orders and trades against a liquidity pool, enabling decentralized and efficient trading across different blockchain networks. This feature enhances liquidity provision, price discovery, and trading opportunities for users, promoting a seamless and secure cross-chain trading experience within the Renq ecosystem. In conclusion, Renq Finance presents a promising investment opportunity with its utility-based approach, decentralized market integration, and multi-chain ecosystem vision. The project's focus on accessibility, security, and innovative trading solutions position it as a potential disruptor in the DeFi space. With a roadmap aiming for market dominance and price predictions indicating growth potential, Renq Finance offers a compelling option for long-term investors seeking exposure to dynamic and evolving crypto landscape. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.